Второй класс. Английский язык. Дует ветер. Домашнее задание. Страница 102-103. English. Spotlight 2. It's windy. Homework page 102, 103. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our English lesson. Open your books, please. Page number 102. 102. It's windy. Exercise number 1. Слушай и повторяй за диктором. It's windy. It's cold. Island. T-shirt. Socks. Shoes. Skirt. Jeans. Boys and girls, repeat this exercise once more. It's windy. It's cold. Island. Socks. T-shirt. Jeans. Shoes. Skirt. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Поговори со своим одноклассником, используя образец. What's the weather like? It's cold. Repeat exercise number 2 once more, please. What's weather like? It's cold. What's weather like? It's windy. What's weather like? It's sunny. What's weather like? It's raining. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 103. 103. Спой песенку. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3. Come to my magic island with me. It's hot, it's cold, it's windy too. It's a magic island just for you. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3. The magic word is riddle-dee-dee. My dear friends, repeat exercise number 3 once more, please. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3. Come to my magic island with me. It's hot. It's cold. It's windy too. It's magic island just for you. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3. The magic word is riddle-dee-dee. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Fine.
the sky. Even my name is so clear, butterfly. Lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.